Much like its iconic counterpart, the Porsche 911, the 2024 Porsche Cayenne SUV sets the standard for driving pleasure in its class. This luxurious midsize crossover boasts agility reminiscent of a sports car, honed over decades of dominance in the performance SUV realm. With options ranging from turbocharged V6 engines to twin-turbo V8s and plug-in hybrids, the Cayenne lineup offers a diverse array of powertrains to suit every driver's preferences. Each Cayenne variant delivers an athletic driving experience rarely found in the SUV market, characterized by precise handling and nimble responsiveness. Despite its sporty demeanor, the Cayenne proves remarkably practical for everyday use, featuring a comfortable interior, ample cargo space, and a wealth of luxury amenities and cutting-edge technology. Of course, such excellence comes at a price, and equipping a Cayenne with top-tier features can significantly inflate the cost. Yet, discerning buyers understand that the investment is justified by the Cayenne's unrivaled performance and refinement. For those seeking even greater thrills, Porsche offers high-performance variants like the 650 HP Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT and the 729 HP Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid, each delivering exhilarating performance worthy of a separate review. New to the 2024 Cayenne lineup is the formidable 493 HP GTS model, injecting an extra dose of excitement into the range. Powered by the same twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine found in the Cayenne S, the GTS receives a thrilling 25 HP increase in power. It inherits performance-oriented features from the Turbo GT model, such as a water-cooled all-wheel drive system and specially tuned suspension components designed to sharpen steering response. The GTS boasts a striking appearance accentuated by the sport design package as standard. This includes sleek black exterior trim, dark bronze exhaust tips, and eye-catching black wheels. Inside, the GTS is adorned with distinctive touches like GTS logos on the headrests, adding to its allure and emphasizing its sporty pedigree. Porsche offers a variety of configurations for the Cayenne, catering to diverse preferences and driving styles. At the entry level, there's the turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a spirited 348 horsepower. For those inclined towards efficiency without sacrificing power, the plug-in hybrid variant, known as the E-Hybrid, combines an electric motor with a turbocharged V6, resulting in a robust 463 horsepower. Stepping up the performance ladder, the Cayenne S boasts an exhilarating 468 HP twin-turbo V8 engine, characterized by its captivating exhaust note and breathtaking acceleration. Meanwhile, the GTS model receives the same engine, but with an impressive output of 493 horsepower, promising an even more thrilling driving experience. For eco-conscious drivers seeking a blend of power and efficiency, there's the SE Hybrid, which pairs a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine with an electric motor, delivering an impressive 512 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. All engine options are paired with an intelligent 8-speed automatic transmission and Porsche's renowned all-wheel drive system. Despite its substantial weight, the Cayenne demonstrates remarkable agility and refinement on the road. Our experience with the Cayenne S reaffirmed its athletic prowess and refinement, with its adaptive dampers now standard across the lineup. Additionally, various performance-enhancing options are available, including an adjustable air suspension, four-wheel steering for enhanced maneuverability, and active anti-roll bars for more composed cornering.